Up first this evening, there's controversy about whether a stabbing and shooting incident at Meadows Memorial Gardens in Spanish Town, St. Catherine is linked to the burial of former reggae girl Tarania Plum Clark.
The burial ground was a scene of chaos and confusion Sunday evening. The police were called in, vehicles searched, and some men were temporarily detained.
However, the police insist the brawl was not linked to the former reggae girl's funeral.
TVJ's Kirk Wright has more in this update.
Cell phone videos captured moments of the disturbance at the burial site. Mourners panicked and for a moment abandoned their dead to seek shelter from the gunshots firing in their midst. It's believed the brawl ensued after this incident.
Fix it good enough. Fix it good enough because I have a box in their face in the boy.
It was a Benz casket, to my understanding, and the casket had some design on it. That design would not allow the casket to go in a regular size vault. The regular size vault is 92 in length by 32 in width. So if the casket is bigger than that, then you'd have to purchase an oversized vault for that casket to go into. So as a result, my understanding is that the handle had to remove, and some of the supporters had to stand on the casket to force it down.
Shortly after the mourners complained, a man was stabbed and shots were fired. However, the police say it cannot make any connections at this time between the violence and the late footballer's burial. They say the man who was stabbed is considered to be an influential person from the Spanish Town area, and shots were fired in retaliation after news spread of his stabbing. The police say they're still trying to find out who stabbed the man and why. Funeral director of Tranquility Funeral Home, Joseph Cornwell, said his employees had to return to the funeral home with a body that had gone to Medarest for burial. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.